Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Git. To get started with subscribing to GitLab, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.gitlab.com and press enter. Once the GitLab homepage loads, look for the sign in button in the upper right corner. If you already have an account, enter your email and password to sign in. For new users, click on the register button near the sign in options. Fill out the registration form with your full name, username, and email address. Create a strong password and confirm it in the designated field. Before proceeding, review the terms of service and privacy policy. After accepting the terms, click the register button to create your account. Check your email for a verification message from GitLab. Open that email and click on the verification link provided. Return to the GitLab homepage and click on the Sign In button again. Enter your credentials to log into your newly created account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you can find various options to explore GitLab features. Review the available plans and select one that fits your needs. Click on the Get Started button for your chosen plan. Fill in the required billing information as prompted. Review your order details before finalizing the subscription. Once everything looks correct, click the Submit button to complete your subscription. Make sure to regularly check your account settings for updates or changes. Explore the documentation and resources available within GitLab to maximize your experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.